good morning. So we're here at Das Places here in Cavite. So ito pong nakikita nila is ready for occupancy. 25,000 reservation and 24,000 lang cash move-in na tayo. So tara, pasok tayo. Ito si Celia. So si Celia ay may lot area na 72 square meter and floor area na 112. So, as you see, meron siyang parking area, may balcony. So, pasok tayo. So, pagpasok, ito yung actual door number. So, we have the living room, the dining area. So, dito, may space ka. Ito yung CR. So, ayan yung actual turnover. So, ito yung for dining. Ito yung ating kitchen. At sa likod, may access tayo sa likod. So, ito yung ating dirty kitchen. So, see? So, akit tayo. So, ito yung first room. Ito yung master bedroom na may access siya sa balcony. So, ito yung balcony. Ito yung community. So, ito yung living room ng ating master bedroom. Ito yung third room. So, ito ang ating CR. So, master bedroom, second bedroom, CR, and third bedroom. I'm Christina De Rosario. Please call 0915-404-2669. So, grab this opportunity. So, 25,000 reservation and 24,000 move-in. God bless.